Bullseye.
Oh, bullseye!
Finally!
There's a new craze sweeping the nation, and it has made its way to Lawton. We're talking about axe throwing, and you can try your hand at it at Lawton Axe Throwing.
People come here to throw axes at a giant dartboard-like target. It's basically a unique experience that's blowing up across the U.S. We wanted to bring it here to Lawton. Normally experiences don't come that fast here, but we wanted to kind of accelerate the experiences that come to Lawton. It's really fun. It's a team building experience, graduation parties, stuff like that.
Axe throwing is so much fun once you get the hang of it, and the folks at Lawton Axe Throwing can help you get started.
They come in, they sign a waiver, so we're both covered, and then we just go and show them how to throw properly and safely, and then we show them a two-handed method and then a one-handed method, and kind of let them just go at it. I mean, when it comes to technique, I think the number one technique is just don't overthink it. Well, let's do the two-handed method first.
There's lots to do here. Try your hand at axe throwing, then play any of the other games they have, including one they even invented.
You have virtual reality, we have pool, cornhole, darts, and then we have a new concept called football and bowling, or fowling.
Grab your buddies and head to Lawton Axe Throwing for a fun new experience.
I want people to have an experience that they've never had before. I want them to go out and have fun, with someone that they love, or their friend, or their family member. The second thing is I want them to be able to, have an experience that is fun, and something that that just gives them a smile at the end of the day.
That's dead middle of the bullseye.
Hold up, yeah, let's take a picture of that.
Oh yeah.